If you have hidden logged chats in WhatsApp, then anybody who looks at your WhatsApp screen can see that there are chats which are logged. So if you want to hide this one, then tap on the locked chats. Use your fingerprint or pin code to open the locked chats. Then tap on this menu icon here and go to chat log settings. After that, enable this option hide logged chats. Select create secret code and then you have to enter pin code here. Now this code will be different than the code that you use to unlock your phone. So let me say 1 2 3 4, next 1 2 3 4 and then done. So once you do it, if you go back to the WhatsApp screen, now you can see that the logged chat is hidden and nobody will know that there are chats which are logged and they are hidden. Now if you want to see the logged chat, you have to tap on this search box here and then you have to enter the secret code. After that, you can open the logged chat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks.